tahi ai a Waikato Tainui me Hato Hone ki te whakanui I tētahi kaupapa, e ai ki a rātou ka kitea whānuitia hei ngā marama e tū mai nei. He kaupapa manaaki, tiaki I ngā KAUMAATUA.
It's a new service. Waikato Tainui is the first iwi to be on this service. It was a service that was co-designed with Waikato Tainui to ensure that it met the needs of the iwi.
It means for this year, for our financial year, they get access to free ambulance services. A lot of the feedback, well, some of the feedback we've got through our KAUMAATUA is that they actually hesitate to call 111 because of the cost, and we think that's just not good enough for our KAUMAATUA.
I nā hoki ko te ora o a tātou KAUMAATUA, e āhuatanga motuhake ki a tātou. Me te aha, te āhua nei e whakapono ana ngā KAUMAATUA, anō hoki.
I found it very comforting in knowing that our tribe is doing that for our people, because we know we won't ring them because a nui tutu is very expensive. I think that knowing that they can do that, they feel more comfortable in ringing up now than ever before.
Our initial target for this new service was to have 1,000 KAUMAATUA kuia on board. To date we have just over 3,100. So we're really excited. It's a great new service and it's around safety for our KAUMAATUA.
Aha koa ngā uaua kua heke ngā taumahatanga me te whakapono ka noho ora pai o tātou KAUMAATUA.
It's reassuring to me that I could ring them up and knowing that I don't have to pay so much money towards it. Being a pensioner, well, you know now, it's really hard for us, and I think our people will be very obliging that we got the service for us.
We have access to through the public health service, so we want to highlight and advocate for them a lot more. Some of that is their opportunity through Hato Hone to get access to medical alert services, which gives them more and more support while they're at home on their own. So we want to just pretty much widen the support that's available to them, and we think the best way to do that is actually to just give them the right information so they can be advocates for themselves.
Te mahurangi teina kore no te reo irirangi o Tainui, mā Aukaha.